Hi, in this video I will show you the working of the software I write using Swift and Python in iPhone and Raspberry Pi. The software I write is voice command controlled Raspberry Pi Let's get to work. Open app, run Python code, record button press, microphone on, and voice to text. Hello, and Raspberry Pi data, hello. All on, all off, lights one on, lights one off, lights one on, lights one on, lights two on, lights three on, lights four on, lights five on, lights one off, lights two off, lights three off, lights four off, lights five off, all on, all off, all on, all off, all off. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.